Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the lag or stuttering issue in Valorant. So firstly what you have to do is just simply go to your game mode. For doing that, just simply open your search menu and search game mode, and it will appear which is game mode settings. So just simply click on that, then make sure to turn this on, and then what you have to do is just simply click on graphics. Now scroll down and look, do you have Valorant in it or not? As you can see, I have Valorant already listed in my list. So for listing the application, what you have to do is just simply click browser, then go to the location where your Valorant is installed. So for me it's C, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Games, Binary, Win64, and over here you will find Valorant Win64 shipping. So after clicking on that, just simply press add, and as you can see it is saying it is already added because it's already added. Now after adding the game, what you have to do is just simply click on that game, then click options and make sure to click high performance. It might be over here, but you have to choose high performance, then just simply click save. So this is the first method that you can do. Now for the second method, what you have to do is just simply right click on your start icon, then click on run, then simply write msconfig over here, then press OK. Now just simply go into the boot menu over here, then click advanced option, then check this box which says number of processors. So then just simply click the drop box and choose the highest number of processor you have on your list. For me it's 12. Then just simply click OK, then press apply, then OK. So when this message pops out, just simply click exit without restart for now, but we will do restart later. So just simply choose this option. So the next step is just simply update your graphic drivers. For me it's AMD, it might be Intel for you, so you can just simply look up on the internet how you can update your NVIDIA graphic drivers. So for AMD, you can just simply click check for updates over here. Then as you can see, my graphic driver is up to date. So for the fourth step that you have to do is just simply download this RAR. In this folder you will find multiple folders. So the first thing that you have to open is registry, and you will find 3 files over there. So just simply open all of them one by one. This will optimize your PC the best gaming performance level. Now just simply go back and now open the services folder. Now just simply disable the map manager for Windows, and if you don't use Xbox services you can also disable it from over here, and if you want to revert it you can use these to enable those options back. Now just simply again go back. Now open Valorant config over here. Now choose whatever config suits your PC best. So for me I will just simply choose medium, then just simply copy this over here, then again right click on the start icon, then click run. Now just simply type %local app data %, then just simply click open or OK. Then over here in this folder just simply search for Valorant, which is right over here, then open it, then go inside saved, then just simply double click on config. Now just simply open the folder which has random numbers like this, just simply open that. Now in that just simply go to Windows, and over there you will find the game settings. Now what you have to do is just simply make a copy of your original game settings. For doing that just simply click and drag outside the folder and keep it in your desktop just to be safe. Now just simply copy this and just simply paste it over here. Then after pasting the game user settings, just right click on that, then click on properties, then just simply click on read only and press OK. Then just simply restart your computer and your issue should be fixed. Now, just for a bonus tip, the folder that you just downloaded from the description, go into that folder and we'll find an application called memory. Just simply open that application. Then install the application. But I won't be doing because I already have that application installed. So just simply install the application like any normal application. Then just simply open the application. Now let me show you what this application does. So as you can see, my currently memory usage is 29%. Now if I hit clean memory over here, this should drop. So as you can see, the memory has started dropping now. So this is what the application does. Whenever your system feels laggy or it feels like your game is stuttering, just simply click on clean memory and the issue should be fixed then and there. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.